So we're going to start the next chapter by talking about a chapter we skipped. I know that makes no sense, but we're in macroeconomics. We go straight from chapter 4, we introduce to supply and demand, and we jump straight to chapter 6, which is supply, demand, and government policies. Chapter 5 is the first chapter I cover in microeconomics, which is on elasticity. And so you're going to see this word, elasticity. Elasticity. And you're going to see it in the reading. You might even see it on the homework. There's about a 3-point problem that I'm actually going to spot you because I'm not really testing you on elasticity, but I need you to know what the word means, what it is in economics. Well, elasticity is, you know how we said, law of demand and from last week, and it said, if price goes up, my quantity demanded is going to go down. Do you know what elasticity is? It's by how much does it decrease? Question. Okay? Just like the law of supply says, if price goes up, my quantity supplied will make more money. It's going to go up. But by how much does it go up? Okay? So elasticity is the answer to the question, okay, the price of Skittles goes up, but by how much? Elasticity is how much you answered, or what you answer that with. And so it is some percentage change in quantity demanded given some percentage change in price. All right? On a 30,000 foot level. Now, if you stick with me and take microeconomics, you'll actually do some mathematics here and calculate that. It's actually not this simple. That's a good definition of it. Something we have to use called the midpoint method. But elasticity is how much quantity demanded, say, goes down, or how much quantity supplied, say, goes up, or vice versa if the price is going in the opposite direction. So just keep in mind elasticity is how much quantity demanded changes, how much quantity supplied changes. And generally speaking, the biggest form of elasticity is price elasticity of demand. Okay, so we're talking about demand, so that's consumers. We're talking about changes in price. So if price goes up, your quantity demanded goes down by how much? Price goes down, your quantity demanded goes up by how much? And that's just the law of demand. So a large part of elasticity centers on demand. Less so supply. If the market just bottoms out, you're not going to sell all your products for next to nothing. Well, how much less are you going to sell? Versus, price goes up, how much more are you going to sell? So that's the price elasticity of supply. Now, and other things can change. You have income elasticity of demand. Your income doubles. You're going to buy more steak. How much more steak are you going to buy? That's income elasticity of demand. So elasticity, again, economics really is just like a language course. Elasticity means by how much, okay, is it going to change? So that's a quick, easy overview of elasticity. We're skipping chapter 5, and in our next video, we're going to introduce what we're going through in chapter 6.